no. The house, the church, the people them a run away with me money. Them a run away with me money. Them a run away with me money. Oh God, it's a never bad dream. Me dream the church was trying to thief my partner money, you know. That's what we just dream. So I need to get some more sleep here, sir. Me money! Lord of mercy! Me money! Go back to me money! Lord of mercy! Me just had a terrible dream, people. Me dream the church is trying to run away with my partner money. Me can't believe it was a dream. Well, me gonna get some more sleep right now. Never bother me. I stop look upon me. The church, the brethren them, me woman them, the wait, wanna come back with me money, that thief me money. Ah, Jesus, no, wait a minute. Me had a terrible dream just now, you know, a terrible dream. Me dream say that the church brethren was coming to thief my money. Can you believe it? Can't believe this is a dream. It's so real. Because when it comes to money, there's no such thing as dreaming up. Oh, sorry. All of you at home, fix up yourself. My name is DeaCun BuBu. I am the most miserablest DeaCun in the whole big old world. Alright, oh you switch this thing off. Master. Who are bothering me right now in the time of sleeping and ministry and beauty sleep? Oh, sorry. It's you, Bishop. Oh, me sorry. Me was having a bad dream, you know. Me dream the church people them was thieving my money. But it's alright. It's safe. Into me safe, you know. What happened in the church? You picked them leave yet? 3 sisters them you have, them run up on you yet? Yes, church ministry is rough, you know. Very rough. But you know, we's doing alright. Me, the 3 wife them and me picking them. Yes, me and my wife them is doing alright, you know. Yes, preacher, yes. Very good. But the church people them is wicked and bad, you see. Them wicked and bad to ratty. Noah. Them the backslide, but very close. Them a go on Michael Jackson concert the other night. I go on cinema. And sister Charlene, she always sits in the front row. And she still wear makeup and lipstick. Me can't believe it. That brother you see? Really? Yeah? Him sleep with him girlfriend again? And him not married? Shame upon him though. He never did a thing like that. What you mean? Listen, before I was saved, alright. Before I was saved, okay, I used to rob. I was into robbery. I was into adultery, okay? I was into all kinds of foolish nation. And finally, at last and not least, me was into fornication. Well, at least I saved the best thing till last. How about you? You going to the pub tomorrow? The church bridge, you know. Don't tell him we're going to the pub. No, don't tell them. Anyway, how much you gonna pay me if you do the offering for you next week convention? Because if you pay me any less than $200, me not coming. And me have to get my cup too. So how much you want me to raise? Because you have about 10 people. So £100 each. That's £1,000. Yes. That could buy a new church van, you know. Could buy a new church van. It could buy a new car. It could buy me a new hat. It could buy me some new shoes. A proper tie. And a new suit. Me come in the air, just make it 250. We'll raise the upfront for you. By the time me finish, they will be throwing money at you. You see, you remember that thieving brother though? Him really thief, you know. Him put £50 in the offering and I ask for change. It's change. So if he wanted £1 back, it would have been alright. The man take £45 out of it. I give me £5. I say take for that. Immediately. Lord of mercy. I'm just glad we see the £50 note drop into the bowl, you know. Big old bowl, empty like. It's so empty even hear the paper lick the bottom. And when me finish cussing in front of the whole church, him try to push me. Me tell him, doesn't push me. Doesn't push me at all. Now push me, boy. Yes. That was really a disaster. We never cuss him in front of everybody again. Me never know him was a boxer. Oh no, my mouth still twist from the box him give me. He really boxed me off. He nearly lick off my head. What you mean? But me not happy with you. The last time you called me for your convention, you wouldn't make me preach. 2 hours is not enough. That don't count. No, when we start, we don't start till 12 o'clock. I finish at 3 o'clock in the morning. Who? Hey, what you mean the wife won't cook for you? You with your little maga self. Eh? You must cast those devils out of her, man. I tell you, demons, you know. Them is rampant in your house, isn't it? Eh? She will cook rice and peas? Fish and what? Chips? Hey. You lucky. Me get so much gunga peas every day, my belly run. Anyhow me come to your church tonight, to your prayer meeting, you won't be very happy. Because my belly is running. And me don't want everybody to live around the church. Yes, me just finished my dinner, you know. Yes, it's not good to fast on an empty stomach, you know. Yes. Why the people that wicked and bad is, sir? They wicked and bad is, eh? You brother mash up the church, man. Why you let him drive the people in and you know him not have no license? Eh? You don't even have him stay in the country. You stupid though, eh? Hold on. Me need to take my cough medicine. Me need to take my special drink, you know. Me use it in Lord's Supper sometime. Hold on. Hold on. Yes, that is much better. Anyway, carry on. Yes, it's true. The ministry is very hard, you know. Very tough, yes. We don't have no money neither. And we fed up of renting from the school. Even a caretaker can't stand we. You say we make too much noise and lit down the place 12 o'clock at night time. Imagine me. Yes, brother, we need a building. You need a building as well. And it's only 3 of you? Well, it's only 10 of we. There's so many churches. You know, there's nearly a church on every road in this area. And all of them need a building. Yes. Yes, we need to get together. We gotta work together in the ministry. If we put our little shillings and pounds together, we can get our own buildings, you know. Yes. We're gonna work together. Yes, yes, preacher. Yes. Work in the ministry, work together. Yes. Together we stand. And departed we fall, you know. Yes, that's right, brother. That's right. Yes, little thief. When you coming to my church then? Let me know what I feel like for preach tomorrow. You coming tomorrow? Okay, well, please don't take up the time. Don't take up the time, brother. We're only gonna give you half an hour this time. The last time you finish, it was 12 o'clock at night, and it starts 3 o'clock in the daytime. I mean, I had to fall asleep on you. Please don't take too long. Alright, brother, alright. You're a good brother, man, yes. You know me always back you, me feel. Yes, man. Yes, brother Big. Thank you very much, yes. Alright, yes, goodbye. Oh, you switch this thing off now. Oh, wait. Now the TV remote control me is using all the time.